Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to roll options in Robinhood. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, all you need to do now is just to have, first of all, the option trading that is enabled. And basically to do so, you will need first to be eligible to trade in Robinhood. That means that your account is verified and it has fund and everything. And after that, you will be needing just to go to your profile here, and then you will need to go to the menu. And basically here, you will find many additional uh, options, and you will need just to click on investing. So you will need just to search for investing, you click on it. And basically there you will find or you will see many green buttons, and then you will need just to click on the one that says enable option trading. By clicking on it, you will be redirected to answer many other questions to assess your experience so they can assign you a level of trading. Then, after that you have your trading options uh, that is enabled, you will start trading in your stocks. So basically, you will go to the investing part or tab, and then you will choose any option, any stock that you would like to trade. For example, let's go for this stock. Then you will need to click on trade. And basically, by clicking trade here in the mobile application, you will see three options. You will find the buy, sell button, and you will see also the trade option. By clicking on the trade option, you will see all your options or your option positions. Basically, by clicking on any option that you will have, you will find the rolling position or the roll option or roll position button, and then you will need just to click on roll position. By clicking on roll position, you will be able to roll your option in Robinhood, and then you can see the prices, etc. So basically, this is how you can do it. And thank you for watching. See you next time.